Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Get Glowing with Akansha. Hope you all are doing really well, and now let's just begin the video. So guys, today I am going to try a face mask which is inspired by a celebrity. Okay, it is the face mask which I am going to try today is inspired by Erica Fernandez. Okay, she made this rice face pack on her YouTube channel, and it had like 1 million views. Okay, so I was really excited to try it out and to see whether it works or not. Okay, so and if you want me that I should select a particular YouTuber and try their DIYs, please comment down below as well, because I'll do it for you. And now without any further ado, let's jump into the video. But please before that, please subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free and it means a lot to me. So now let's just get started. Please subscribe to. So all she did was, in a bowl she added a tablespoon of besan, which is gram flour, a tablespoon of maida, that is all-purpose flour, and a tablespoon of rice flour. Okay, so to this she added like 2 tablespoons of raw milk, 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, and to this she finally added like few drops of lemon juice to it. If you are allergic to lemon, please don't use it because it can irritate your skin. Okay, now mix the ingredients really well. I think it's little dry, still it's little dry. I'll add some more raw milk to it, like a little bit. Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Our face pack is ready. This is our face pack, and now we will be applying it on our face. And I think that this face pack will work because it has so many ingredients that is meant for brightening your skin, and let's hope it works best. Okay, has so many. Okay, so now apply the face pack all over your face nicely. I'm using my hands right now. You can even use your use brush, but I think it's more comfortable to use hands. Okay, so apply it even under your eyes because it is meant to remove your dark circles as well. And do it in your bathroom because it will spill all over the place and we don't want that. So do it in your bathroom. Apply it nicely. And also don't forget to apply it on your neck because we always used to forget our neck, so don't do that. Apply it to your neck as well. And leave it for 30 minutes. Okay, so it's been 30 minutes and you can see as my face pack has dried a little bit. It's not fully dry, but we don't even have to dry it fully. So now all you need to do is wash it off with lukewarm water. So here is my face. As you can see, I have washed the face pack and my face looks really brightened up. I think this face mask has given my skin an immediate boost, and my skin feels soft and glowing as well. Like I'm touching it, my skin is feeling so soft that I can't even tell you, and it has faded my acne scars like a little bit. And I'm sure if you use it regularly, like if you are regular with this face pack, it will definitely help in reducing your acne scars. Okay, so let me show my face in other lighting as well. See, in this lighting you can see it more clearly. You can see how, how clean my face is looking. It's soft, it's clean, like it's really very clean, and it's shining as well, and I'm loving it. Also, comment down below if you want me to do such type of videos more often, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'm loving this mask, and thank you for watching. Bye.